Welcome my new followers, good afternoon. My name is Álvaro Cerdas and I would very much love to introduce to you this brand new software for pool pump calculations. Okay, it's called CTPool and it was developed this year 2023. So let me show you. Okay, I got the program, the tool already installed here in my computer. So you can see I got the little icon with the pool shape. I'm gonna double click on it, and on this video basically what I want is to show the software in general. I'm not gonna go into any detail right now or solve any specific problem. I'm gonna use random numbers, but I want to show you what the program is about. So basically you can estimate the pump HP required for a specific pool, okay, but in a very easy, in a very intuitive way, in a very friendly way. That's the purpose of this program. Okay, so if I hit here where it says complete process, you can see that it takes us to a screen where you can calculate the volume of the pool. Okay, this data right here that it says volume to filter in gallons per minute is one of the inputs that we need to at the end be able to calculate the required pump. Okay, you can choose from 3 different pool shapes. Okay, we got rectangular, kidney, and round pool. Okay, as you can see, once that I click on each specific button, then the requirements of the input also changes, okay, to adjust to the specific shape. We're gonna go for rectangular just to show how this works. So I'm gonna add here 20 feet for length, 10 feet for the width, and let me add 5 and 7 for the height 1 and height 2. Okay, then we hit where it says volume, and you can see that it calculated the volume in cubic feet and in gallons, but we need the gallons per minute. So once we choose a turnover rate for the water in your system that is requested in hours, in this case the program has 6 by default, then we're gonna leave it as it is, and we're gonna hit gallons per minute, this button right here, and this is the data that we need. Okay, once we have that, then we have to calculate the feet of water, the feet of head of water. That's another input that we need to calculate the pump. So we hit there, and this is the previous calculations that we have, which is the 25 gallons per minute and the 6-hour turnover rate. Okay, then we select the pipe diameter and we add the length of pipe installed, around the pool, the suction lines and the lines that return to the pool. Okay, we're gonna say 200 feet, and we're gonna select some PVC figures, okay, that also add up to the total feet of head. So I'm gonna say 5 45-degree elbows, and then we have some 90-degree elbows, say another 5. Okay, and as you can see, the software is filling up this chart automatically. Okay, so we keep track of what we're adding. And then one last one, the 3-way diverted valve. Let's say we have one. Okay, now let's see, what about the equipment? Say we got a sand filter, 1, and we got a heater, just to mention 2, another 1. Okay, so also it adds up to this chart, so we keep track of the equipment added. Okay, let's put it 3 feet here. Okay, there is a graphic that shows what that is about. Okay, so that's the purpose of the program. Be very intuitive, very easy to use for not experts on the subject. Okay, once we got all these in place, then we hit this button right here that says calculate TDH, and we got the feet of water right here. Okay, now we can calculate the pump. Okay, on this last screen we have the 2 numbers required to calculate the pump, and it's just as easy as hitting calculate pump. Okay, we got this number right here. If we hit this link label that it says round, then it presents the number in a more understandable way to pick up the pump. So in this case, it would be 0.5 HP or horsepower capacity pump. And the formula that is behind this is considering an 80% efficiency. Okay, this is a small pump, small pool. Okay, but if you want to be, on the secure side, then you can go for the next one, which is 3/4. Okay, we have two examples of pump curves that are used. The manufacturers normally they supply this information. And it's on the axis side, we have US gallons per minute. And on the other axis, the vertical, we have feet of water. So feet of water versus gallons per minute. And then you can actually check and see if it matches with the graph, with the calculations. This one is a Hayward super pump, but we also have another one. Okay, we have two pump curves to choose from. We can clear this screen. Okay. We can go back to the main menu. Let's go back over here. Let's clear this screen as well. Okay, so we can get rid of all the data. Let's clear this screen as well. So it's all gone. Okay, let's go back to the main menu. And you can go directly to calculate the pump HP without going through all the process. Say you have 42 gallon per minute requirement with 50 feet of head. Okay, so I added these numbers directly, and then I'll just hit calculate, round, and we got a 3/4 HP pump. Okay, if you look at the we're gonna switch to the other graph. If we use this graph and check these numbers, then down here we're around here 42. And if you go up to 50, we're somewhere around here, very close to the line that corresponds to the 3/4 HP. So like I said before, if you want to play it safe, then and it's a little over this line here, then you can go for the 1 HP, just to be on the safe side for your pool pump. Okay, we can exit the program anytime. Here's the icon again. I'm gonna go back in just to show you one more thing. Okay, the program comes with a few images inside the program, so you can see, everything that we're talking about is it's on these images, these graphics. Okay, so it helps a lot to explain to yourself or to somebody what are you considering. For example, you can see here the heater, the filter, the pipes, the suction line, the returns line, and there's more graphics. So you can see, very easy to understand. You can see here the main drains, the skimmer right over here, the pump that suctions the water from the pool, the filter, the sanitation system, etc. Okay, there's one more right over here. And the sole purpose of this is just to help clarify to yourself or somebody what you are considering with this program. Let's go back to the main menu. And this is a very quick and easy software, very friendly software to use. The software is for sale. So if you're interested, please write to me. I'm going to leave my information on the description of the video. And see you in the next one. Thank you.